Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and as so long requested by you, I'm going to show you all styles from my daughter on the mannequin so that you can follow step by step. So please split the hair in the middle for this style that we originally did in 2018. I'm doing this kind of shape where you start in the middle of the head with a diagonal to the eyebrow and then a round shape until above the ear. Clip it away, do the same half moon shape until behind the other ear, correct if necessary, clip it away, make a deep ponytail with both leftovers of the hair and start with neatly brushed hair to braid on the very top of the middle of the head. Take 3 small strands and then do a lace braid. Lace braid means you bring the left side under the middle, right side under the middle, and here in this case you just add in hair from the right side like you see me doing it right now. Left under the middle, right under the middle, adding in a new strand of hair. Pull always in the direction where you're going to braid. I'm flipping my palms down now, and you see, adding in always from the right hand side until all hair that you parted before is incorporated, palms up. Now when I'm just doing a regular Dutch braid, and for the time being just using a soft hair tie to keep the braid tight. Here you see it now from the other side. Make 3 strands in the middle of the head, bring the left under, the right under, and here now we are opposite sides, so we are bringing in new strands of hair from the left hand side. Right under, left under, and adding in hair from the left hand side this time. I did the parting until behind the ear, so the strand behind the ear is the last one we're going to add in. Finish braiding. Use a soft hair tie that will be easy to remove. And now 2 fingers wide, more or less, I'm taking a portion of hair. The rest is clipped away for the third Dutch braid. We do the same here, splitting it into 3 equal strands. There you go. Right under, left under, and we are adding in hair from both sides. So bring under the strand, hair from the side. Bring under the left hand strand, hair from the left hand side. Now I'm pulling to the side where I'm going to combine all hair. For the time being, this is also with the soft hair tie, just hold tight together, and we're doing the same thing on the left hand side. The first stitch is just right under, left under, and then we bring in hair every time we brought the strand under the middle strand. Left under, bring hair to the left hand strand, right under, we bring in hair from the right hand side. Keep on braiding until the neck and until you have no more hair to add in. Just do some extra stitches. Make sure that you keep close to the scalp for having a neat result later. Braid some more stitches, and now we're going to combine the strand from the middle with the loose hair, and therefore I bring the loose hair under the braid. I'm taking tiny hair ties to place everything, and then I put the side braid over, removing all the soft hair ties, and this step I skipped actually. I'm using another strong hair tie, here you see me doing it, to bring everything tightly together. These are our 2 braids. However, I love the bigger hair ties because then when I wrap the hair around, it has yeah, a bigger optic. I like the way how it turns out when you have a bigger hair tie under. So use the topsy-tail tool, and now you can leave the two ponytails, or you just braid them like in the original style. This is our final result. I hope you like it. Give us a thumbs up. Come here to see us back again, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.